Welcome back, everybody. This is Simon. I just wanted to share with you my experience with Bunga Bunga Bazaar. Upload your products for sale and buy them from others. It's a marketplace in which millions of people buy online, sell online, and share what they have to sell, brand new and used, on a unique marketplace that has very low fees. Also, consider that if you're selling on Amazon, for example, you might be selling, you will be selling actually. Amazon is a great website, but your niche is only Amazon. With Bunga Bunga Bazaar, you englobe all the sales channels in one. So subscribe to the link below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. All the best.